Welcome to the MERTS instructional video for making payments to debts or loans. To make a payment on an existing loan, open the All Transactions tab by selecting View from the toolbar and then All Transactions. Locate the debt or loan and right-click to select New Payment. Select the type of payment. To apply a direct payment to a loan, select Direct Expenditures. Select OK to continue. Enter the date the payment is made. Enter the amount of the payment. Add a description. Select OK to save the entry or cancel to exit this screen without saving. To forgive a debt or loan with an existing balance, highlight the loan in the All Transactions tab. Right-click and select New Payment. Select Direct Expenditures and select OK to continue. Enter the date the loan is being forgiven. Add the description. Next, click to add a checkmark in the Forgiven box. Select OK to save and exit the screen or cancel to exit without saving. To modify an existing transaction, locate the appropriate record and click once to highlight the transaction. Select the Modify Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click and choose Modify to make the necessary changes. Make the changes. And select OK to save and exit. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. Please note, transactions within a closed report cannot be modified. Right-click on the transaction you wish to modify and select Amend to make the change to the transaction. To delete transactions, select the Delete Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click and choose Delete. Please note that transactions within a closed report cannot be deleted. To remove a transaction from a previously filed report, right-click and select D-Report to remove the transaction. Be sure to save and back up the committee MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, go to www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.